estate is here with its blockbuster home fest at Ramki Luminar located in Dardanag, Mangala. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here to check out their project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with the current construction status and the position of the project. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing just in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of Ramki Luminar, and about their land parcel is just over here where the construction work is going on. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 7 acres of land parcel with 6 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 14 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part. So this project is exactly located on Dardanag Mangala Road in Bangalore. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Rayasandra Lake in 1.5 kilometers. Electronic City flyover is 1.6 kilometers. Metro Cash and Carry is 2.9 kilometers. D-Mart is 4 kilometers away, and Kaveri Hospital is 4.3 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, with the SS sink, vitrified tiles, CCTV, firefighting system and many more. Now about the external amenities. So this project provides you 35 plus luxurious amenities like kids play area, garden area, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, jogging track, clubhouse and many more. Now about the parking provision. So this project provides you one type of car parking, and that is the basement level car parking.
Now let's have a look at the master plan. This is the master plan of Ramki Luminar. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 6 blocks as Block A, Block B, C, D, E and Block F, where this project is developed phase-wise.
Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Block E, having 8 flats per floor, 2 lifts, 2 staircases. Here 3 flats of 2 BHK, 3 flats of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 1 BHK residencies.
Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 615 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1040 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1420 square feet super built up area.
Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So let me tell you, Tower A and Tower C, 80% work is completed. Tower B and Tower F, 30% work is completed. And now coming to Tower D and Tower E, it is for future development, but as per the construction work, the ground level work is completed. Now coming to the position part. So if you're looking for nearly position, then in Tower A and Tower C is giving position by the end of this year, that is December 2025. If you're looking for position by next year, then B and Tower F are giving you position by next year, December 2026. And the future development tower, that is Tower D and Tower E, is giving you the position by December 2027. So each year, Ramki Luminar is giving you the position for 2 towers. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the Ramki Luminar, which is located in Dardanag Mangala, Bangalore, a project by Ramki Estate.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.